Hi everybody, I am glad you are with me. So we are going to sketch, and for sketching we need some equipment. First of all, we need wire-bound sketchbook, A5 size, graphite pencil with HB lid and a prism sharpener for it. Also, they may be replaced by mechanical pencil. Graphite pencil with soft H3 or H4 lid and snap-off knife to sharpen it. Eraser, and we need a measuring tool consisting of grid on the transparent base. This tool on transparent base we are going to make by ourselves. How we do it? First we need an exercise class book with gridded pages, a ruler, permanent marker, paper scotch tape, and lid of transparent plastic package. So we fix our transparent lid to gridded page with scotch, and using grid on page we do our own grid with marker and ruler on our transparent lid. Now we have perfect gridded lid, and we add some numbers on the side and on the bottom to make counting easier. This tool saves a lot of your time and efforts in process of sketching. How to use it, I'll tell you on our next video. So, see you soon. Bye bye.